Morning, people. Just out on a little bimble to clear the mind, you know. I've chucked a few things in the bag, heading out into the North Downs. Plan is to find somewhere to sit, have some breakfast, and just chill out. I'll bring you back in a bit. So welcome back. I'm in the North Downs, just up by the White Horse Stone, and I think I have found a nice place to stop and have something to eat. So I've got my Lixada alcohol stove today, and I'm going to be cooking the all-day breakfast from the Steak Detective. Haven't had that before, looking forward to it. Now, bit of an error. I was supposed to test out my homemade alcohol stove that I did the other day, but like an idiot, I thought I'd put it in the Lixada pouch. Clearly I hadn't, so we're back to using that one. But it doesn't matter, because the main thing is we are out and we're having a mooch about, we're clearing our minds, reconnecting with nature, and just taking a moment for ourselves. Right, let's get this going. So I think I finally found a use for this. Cracking. Right, so that's me done. Had something nice to eat. Got out for a few hours, de-stressed, reconnected with nature. Feel much better now. So I'm going to pack up. Remember, leave no trace. And I'll see you next time on Higgsybear Outdoors.